So for this video, guys, we're going to look at the play called Aggie. I really like this play as a complement to both the PA read and the bench switch. And it gives a little bit of a different dynamic because of the corner route is different. And we're going to show you a little bit of a different way, but we're going to set it up very similarly as a look. Okay, so what we're going to do again, we're going to start off with max protect, put the Y on a streak. We're going to motion the B over to the left and put the A on a zig. So it's going to look like this, okay? And let me kind of tell you why I like this and why it's different. The first thing is it's going to look similar to PA read. We still got that A on the zig. We still got the X and the Y kind of looking at vertical routes to start off with. And the B kind of starts off where it looks like the zig in play that we showed you earlier, to where it kind of starts out. So it's going to give a little bit of a similar to the I. The first couple steps, they're not going to recognize the play right away, right? So I do like that. Now, what I do like about this as well is this X is an excellent hard flat beating route that's very, very fast. So if people are doing hard flat blitzes, you have a good opportunity of throwing this to this player on its break and getting some good success. Now, this B route is awesome against cloud flats. So it's a really 1-2 read. Cloud flats to B, hard flats to X. So watch basically how this works. We're in hard flats. You can see that this guy's going to do a nice breaking out route, and you're going to be able to throw it to him really quickly. It's just a really nice route. Not all corners are created equal. This is one of my favorite type of corners. We've got this in a couple other plays in our playbook, but this is a really nice one, right? Now, what's nice about this, again, is that we've got a if or then read, right? If it's hard flats, we're throwing to him. If it happens to be cloud flats, look who gets open, right? This guy goes over here. We're waiting for it. The B stops. You know it's him. And we're going to get some easy yards, all right? It's one of those that I really like because of that fact, okay? It's something that gets that easy yards. It can definitely be a playmaker back into the inside if you want to get into the playmaking game. I just want to make sure that you know what you can do if you need to. But typically speaking, I'm not doing that because that's where the user's at. There's really no reason to go that way. We don't have any other routes that suck that player down. So I want to make sure you see that. But this is why I really like this as a all coverage beater because of that. Now, against cover 2, let's look at that real quick to make sure that you see a cloud flat. You're going to see, again, the X is going to take that player there. You're going to wait for this B. You're going to throw it to him and get some easy yards. We're trying to simplify your reads, give you opportunities to say, I'm just reading those 3 guys, and I'm good to go. The way you scheme, the way you make the game easier for you, is you've got to give threats to where the user needs to stay in the middle. That's what PA read does. If you do PA read and people are worried about the crossing route, it's going to open this up because the user can't jump to the side of the field, and that's killing what we do with our schemes is basically put them together to make sure that you have a game plan to get things more open.